Well folks, I said the climb was going to get steep, and I really meant it, but the view is worth it. So we're still climbing up the limestone. You can actually see the rock on my left. This is looking back the way we came. I don't know if you can get some kind of sense of scale there. You can see how steep it is from the fence, and you can also see that the path itself is a mixture of rounded, polished limestone and soft, wet mud, which is a perfect recipe for slips and trips, which is presumably why they put that fence there. But it levels off a bit up here apparently, so let's have a look what's round the corner. I suppose we're at the top of the limestone now, so it's probably 40 or 50 metres above the car park level, and we're almost level with where the waterfall was in the last video, which is only about 20 or 30 metres through that woodland. The two rivers here are extremely close to each other. So, time of recording this, it's January 2026. It's been an extremely wet December, followed by an extremely cold January. So, lots of moisture in the ground. In fact, I can just about hear the waterfall through those trees. You won't be able to because of the noise cancelling, and because I'm racketing over the top of it probably. So what we're looking for, folks, is a little path that goes off to the right to take us down to the next waterfall. Look, you can see this fence here. That is the edge of the canyon that we were in an hour ago. See, it's broadened out a bit this side though. Bit of open ground there. So if we make it to this next location, I'm assured that not only is there a waterfall, there's also a special treat for you as well. I'll just turn it off on this flat and level section and turn it back on in a minute.